Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you if you forget your password of any Samsung device, so how we can unlock all Samsung devices without any computer and third-party software. So let's start. Check first. So again try. So friends, our Samsung device cannot be unlocked. So how we can unlock? So tap on emergency call. Friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. Start now. And so friends, enter first pin star 8036593 608 star 704 star 63537801 and tab hash. And when you tap on your dialer, this pin is added automatically in your Samsung device. So tap dialer. So friends, now add your second pin star 50324 star 42586731 and again star 804713 star 608 and 01. Tab on hash. So friends, now this pin is entered, and when you tap on your dialer, then your pin is automatically added again and unlock your Samsung device very easily. So tap on dialer. So friends, you can see here our Samsung device is unlocked. And friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to unlock any Samsung device without any computer and other third-party software. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.